If you are an experienced traveler, then you are familiar with the necessity of having a dry bag in your outdoor arsenal. However, if you have just set the starting point of your travel adventures and trips, we are here to inform you that a dry bag is an essential part of your camping gear. It will keep your belongings away from trenching. Regardless if you are a beginner or a senior adventurer, a dry bag is a must. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best dry bags on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Osprey Discontinued Ultralight Bag. If you want to keep your gear and apparel organized and neat when you are planning a hiking trip, the Osprey Dry Bag will be an excellent choice for you. Its rectangular shape allows you to efficiently store your gear so you can easily access your equipment whenever you need it. What stands out here is the durable construction built explicitly from 40D ripstop nylon that ensures comfort, as well as unmatched durability. Thus, you'll be able to use the Osprey Dry Sack for quite some time. When it comes down to water protection, this does the job more than perfect. It's definitely a great pick if you're looking for a plain design, great durability, and efficient organization of your equipment. Number 2. Sea to Summit Lightweight Dry Bag. If you're at all familiar with Sea to Summit's diverse catalog of waterproof wares, the Sling Lightweight Dry Bag shouldn't look too alien. It's very traditional as far as lightweight dry bags are concerned, built staunchly enough to justify use on the river while retaining the flexibility and mobility of something intended for day trips. As far as a Sling dry bag goes, the benefits of a lightweight material that don't make you sweat, especially trekking in summer humidity, is nice. That makes this bag more comfortable than other vinyl or PVC bags. Comfort due to the lightweight material is also, on the other hand, where the S2S Sling compromises on waterproofing and resistance to punctures. Number 3. Sea to Summit Big River Dry Bag. High-volume dry bags, like the Sea to Summit Big River Dry Backpack, are a near essential for anyone looking to do longer trips where there's a real threat of water putting a damper on your festivities. Whether this is headed to the river for a multi-day rafting trip, trekking through canyons, or diving at your nearest coastline, keeping your warm layers and electronics dry is of central importance. Unfortunately, keeping things dry is only half of the battle. In many instances, you're forced to contend with the unwieldy reality of carrying a fully stuffed dry bag, plus other gear. If you're hiking down a washed-out trail to the bottom of a canyon or crossing a slippery dock to a dive boat undulating in the water, the last thing you want to do is wrestle with a child-sized sack of your most important pieces of gear. The Big River Dry Backpack is Sea to Summit's hands-free means of mitigating this issue. Stick with us while we dive into the Big River and see if it carries as well as it protects from water. Number 4. Gilly Waterproof Dry Bag. The Gilly Waterproof Roll Top Dry Bag is a high-quality, 15-liter waterproof bag that keeps your items safe and dry. It's made of a heavy-duty, strong, and durable vinyl-coated fabric that's also lightweight, making the bag reliable and long-lasting. The outer watertight zipper pocket is great for storing small items like cash, credit cards, and car keys. It keeps the items inside safe and dry and is big enough to fit most phones. It comes with a removable shoulder strap for easy carrying, or you can grab it using the grab handle. The bag comes in a variety of different colors and features one of 3 logos inspired by environmentally friendly practices. These are the Save Our Ocean, Save Our Reefs, or Save the Turtles logo. If you accidentally drop your bag into the water, don't worry. It will float. Number 5. Evac Compression Dry Bag. Anyone who's had their sleeping bag soaked through in their backpack or ended up on the losing side of a wayward wave can tell you how much trouble a decent dry bag could have saved them. In sports where extra space comes at a premium, making the most of what you have sometimes means leaving the bulky dry bag at home or risking your luck with the questionable durability of a lightweight model. As one of the biggest names in the dry bag business, Sea to Summit is well aware of this issue, and the Evac Heavy Duty Compression Dry Bag is their attempt to put this problem to rest, permanently. We've had the chance to put the Evac to the test in a few different sports and circumstances. Keep reading to dive into our notes and see if the Evac lives up to its promises. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.